Hey everyone, I am Prince Nigam and welcome back to Neural Nexus, simplifying AI for everyone. Google made us search, ChatGPT made us chat, but now there is a browser that actually thinks for you, and it's free. Meet Comet, the brand new AI browser from Perplexity, and it's about to change how you use the internet forever. Let me show you why this might just replace Google for good. So Comet isn't just another browser with an AI tab. It's built entirely around reasoning. When you type something, you are not just searching. You are asking an AI agent that reads the web, summarizes the sources, and give you a clear verified answer. Think of it as a mix between Google, ChatGPT, and a researcher who works for you in real time. For 20 years, we have used keyword. Now we use intent. Before you got result pages, now you get final answers. Before you did all the clicking and comparing, now the browsers does the reasoning. This is the shift from manual browsing to intelligent automation, from search engine to thinking engine. Let's start with something practical. I'll ask Comet best AI jobs in 2025 and required skills. Let's click on enter. Okay, it didn't just give me links. It summarized from real sources, listed roles like AI ML engineer, data scientist, AI research scientist, AI product manager, so on and so forth. And even it mapped skills like Python, LLM tunings, and ML ops. Now let's go one step further. Create a 3-month skill roadmap for learning ML ops for beginners. Okay, it created a detailed 3 months MLOps learning plan. Now go one step deeper and write I need week by week plan, tools to learn, and even YouTube resources. Let's click enter. Boom, it created the week by week plan, what topics to learn, what tools to learn, and what are the different YouTube resources from where we can learn the different topics. Okay, let's see if Comet can help me write about this. Let me give a ask to browser turn this summary into a LinkedIn post for tech learners and click on enter. Okay, it even formatted perfectly for LinkedIn. You could literally copy, paste and post it. And here is the best part. Comment remember context. I can say now turn that into an email to my team and it instantly adapt tone and format. No re-explaining. This is like having a full-time AI assistant inside your browser. Not a chatbot, but a real research co-pilot. Okay, let's try something like sending this email automatically. So I give a prompt like send email to Prince Nigam for AI at gmail.com and see if it is working. So I just click on enter and see. Okay, so it requires the connect to my Gmail account. So I'll connect my Gmail account with the browser. So I'm just giving the appropriate user password and the access required by the browser to send the emails. Now let's try again. Let's compose an email with the above. Let's see if it is working now. Okay, so it composes the email and we have an option to send as well as to refine the email. Let me just change the signature in the email to my name and send it and let's see if the email is been sent. Okay, so the email is sent. Let's go and check out the email whether we received the email or not. Oh yes, so we received the email in my inbox. So let's open it. So we have 3 months week by week plan to learn the ML ops learning. Okay, let's try another use case where we go to a particular website and with the help of assistant we can perform certain actions. So we are on booking.com, click on assistant and on the right side in the assistant we write search flight from Delhi to London for 15th of December and share the top 5 best flight details on email to princenigam for AI at gmail.com. flight should have only one stop or non-stop, and priority decided based on duration, timing, and stops. So the assistant is working. So you can see on the right side and on the left, you can see an assistant is performing the action on its own. It's all automated. So even on the right side, you can see what all action is being performed by the assistant on the particular web page. So it selected the leaving from, it selected the to, it's selecting the date for now. For example, now it is selecting 15. So everything is done by the Comet browser with the help of AI agents on its own. You don't have to do anything. Okay, it is still searching. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me stop this flow and edit this command. So let me go and stop this particular agent and rewrite the ask. Okay, so maybe I'll rewrite is it provide detail of top 5 flights which are comparing different factors like fare, timing, stops, etc. Let's see if it is working. So instead of creating the AI agent, this browser already have the AI agent with it. So see, it generated or it drafted an email with all the details. I can refine this email. For example, I'm just writing create a table for flight with border. Okay, so let's see, it's stating as done. Okay, so again it redrafted the email with some HTML tags for table and all. Okay, let me send this email. So email is been sent. So it, you can see like it come up with top 5 flights having arrival and all those stuff. Let's go and check my emails. Okay, I received the email. Let do one thing. Let's send again all this information with some baggage related information as well, and also consider that factor as in while identify the top priorities file. So you can see the agent is working on the left screen. It go to the different flights, check for the baggage information, and extracted all those information for you on its own. It's all completely automated. You don't have to do any specific search. So all is been done automatically by this browser. See in the email, it again drafted the email. Let's click on send. So email has been sent. Let's go to the email. Before that, let's see. Yeah, so on the right side of the table, it added the information related to the baggage like carry on and checked baggage related stuff. So all this information is there, all flight details are present. It also ranked the different flight. Okay, let's go and check the email. So I received the email with baggage comparison. See, it drafted the email automatically with the top 5 flights from Delhi to London with some baggage information, timing, and etc. Also, it gives me a comparative notes for that. So, isn't it really amazing? So, yeah, Comet isn't just another browser. It's your AI research partner. It thinks, writes, and reasons right alongside you. And the best part is, it's free. So, go try Comet by Perplexity. If you want to see how to download and set up the browser, I have created a video link in the description. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe because I am diving deep into tools that actually makes you smarter and faster with AI.